Hello everyone. Today we are going to be discussing a very important topic, and that is osteoporosis and a cement injection known as vertebroplasty. I am Dr. Nandan Marathe. I am a consultant spine surgeon with Synapse Spine. So the spinal bones are known as vertebra. Vertebroplasty involves injecting cement into the spinal bone. This cement is injected via a needle which is known as a J needle. So this is a tiny needle that is used to inject cement into your spinal bones. Who requires a vertebroplasty? Currently, we are facing an aging population. People are commonly living to 80 and 90 years. This is the population group that suffers from a disease known as osteoporosis, that is, weakening of the bones that happens due to aging. This population group is susceptible to osteoporotic compression fractures into the vertebra that happen due to osteoporosis. They have terrible back pain, they are unable to move and are bedridden for months. The pain arising from these osteoporotic fractures can be relieved by vertebroplasty. Vertebroplasty is typically a daycare procedure. You will be asked to come to the hospital on the same day. This injection is given under local anesthesia and sedation. It requires around 15 to 20 minutes. Post-procedure, you are okay to go home within a few hours. There are no stitches or scars involved. Standing and walking begins in the first week itself. There can be minor pain at the site of injection. However, it can be easily managed with something as simple as an ice pack. Typically, pain scores following a vertebroplasty reduce by 60% within the first week itself. Apart from vertebroplasty, we encourage patients to treat the underlying cause of the bone itself, that is osteoporosis. So medication is required for osteoporosis to ensure that your bones do not break in the first place. Thank you.